Just think, while the whole world was fixated on new EVs from Tesla and BYD, with every conversation revolving around batteries, charging, and future technology, Toyota quietly made a move that no one saw coming. Toyota launched a petrol-engine pickup truck, and it's still shaking up the global market today. Its name is the Toyota Hilux Champ, and it's been on the market for the past 2 years. This is no ordinary pickup truck. It's a direct answer to anyone claiming the era of petrol engines is over. Toyota has proven that the real game is still about affordability, durability, and reliability. While everyone else was chasing the future, Toyota focused on the present. A pickup that's simple in appearance but powerful in performance. No fancy features, no unnecessary technology, just a simple, durable, hard-working truck. The most surprising part is its price. Available for roughly $13,000, this pickup has become a dream vehicle for people in many countries. While even small cars are getting more expensive by the day, Toyota introduced a truck that's perfectly suited for farming, construction, deliveries, small businesses, and rough roads. In this video, we'll break down how Toyota managed to build the Hilux Champ at such a low price, what engine technology powers it, and why this pickup is still making waves amid all the glitz surrounding Tesla and BYD. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to GearNation so you're the first to catch videos like this. While the world's attention stayed locked on new EVs from Tesla and BYD, with conversations centered entirely on batteries, charging, and the future, Toyota quietly took a step. Most people didn't take seriously at first. No big launch event, no social media hype, no bold revolution talk. Toyota simply released a straightforward pickup truck, the Hilux Champ. Initially, this launch didn't make headlines, but its impact gradually became clear. As people caught on to its price, its simplicity, and its practicality, it became obvious this was no ordinary release. It was Toyota's quiet move, executed without fanfare, but far-reaching in its impact. Looking back now, it's clear Toyota identified a genuine need in a market obsessed with hype and noise, and that became its greatest strength. At that time, the EV landscape was largely confined to major cities and wealthier markets, places where charging stations, premium pricing, and cutting-edge technology made sense. But the world doesn't end there. A huge portion of the global population still lives in villages, small towns, and working-class communities, where what people need is a vehicle that's affordable, dependable, and capable of handling daily tasks. In these places, the real questions are, how easily can it be repaired if it breaks down? Will fuel be available, and how much will it actually cost to run? Toyota understood this ground reality. It recognized that not everyone is chasing the latest technology. Many people simply want a functional vehicle that gets the job done without unnecessary frills. The Hilux Champ is a direct result of that thinking. It's built for people who see a vehicle as a necessity, not a luxury, which is exactly why, even amid the EV hype, this pickup found its place. It speaks to reality, not to aspiration. This philosophy has always defined Toyota's identity. Say less, build something strong. The company doesn't chase grand promises, nor does it abandon proven principles just to showcase something flashy every year. Toyota's approach is long-term, building vehicles meant to last 10 or 15 years, vehicles that won't let people down on rough roads, under heavy loads, or in tough conditions. The Hilux Champ is part of that same enduring philosophy. There are no unnecessary extras, no features that become a headache years down the line. It's designed so that any ordinary mechanic can understand it, and any hardworking person can operate it, which is why Toyota vehicles are often seen less in the headlines, but driven far more in real life. People may talk endlessly about the latest tech, but when it comes to daily life, proven reliability is what earns lasting trust. So what kind of engine technology does it actually run on? When people hear Toyota Hilux Champ, the first question is usually why Toyota went with such a simple engine setup, while the rest of the industry outchases the newest technology. To understand the answer, you first need to understand Toyota's philosophy. The Hilux Champ wasn't designed as a showpiece, it was designed as a workhorse. That's why it runs on engine technology that might not look impressive on paper, but proves to be exceptionally reliable in real-world conditions. The Hilux Champ comes with both petrol and diesel engine options, with the emphasis placed squarely on durability rather than raw power. These aren't experimental engines fresh out of a lab. They're built on technology Toyota has refined over many years. That means they're proven, parts are widely available, and they don't require a high specialized technician to diagnose or repair. Any regular mechanic can service them, which is exactly what makes this a genuinely practical vehicle. The biggest strength of this engine technology is its simplicity. Many modern vehicles are packed with sensors and complex systems that become a major headache the moment something goes wrong. The Hilux Champ's engine is deliberately designed to minimize unnecessary components, meaning fewer chances of breakdowns and easier fixes when something does go wrong. That's why it's considered ideal for regions where service centers are few and far between. Toyota has also tuned this engine for fuel efficiency. That doesn't mean it's built for speed. It means it can carry heavy loads, handle rough terrain, and run for extended periods without strain. That's exactly what's needed for farming, construction, small businesses, and everyday transport. No one out there is asking how fast it accelerates. They're asking whether it'll start every single morning. Another key element of this engine philosophy is longevity. Toyota designed it knowing people would rely on it for years, deliberately avoiding technologies that put excessive strain on the engine. It wasn't built for peak performance. It was built to run reliably, steadily, and consistently. This is what sets Toyota apart from other manufacturers. Some might question whether offering petrol or diesel engines is a step backward in a world moving toward EVs, but Toyota has taken a very clear-eyed view here. The company understands that charging infrastructure isn't universally available. Not everyone can afford new technology, and circumstances vary drastically from country to country. In that context, providing a dependable engine that works under any condition is simply the smarter choice. The Hilux Champ's engine proves that technology doesn't always need to be the newest. It needs to be the right fit. This engine doesn't make grand claims or a lot of noise. But when it comes to getting the job done, it delivers every time. That's why people call it a workhorse engine, built for people whose vehicle is their livelihood. Now, why is the $13,000 price tag such a game changer? The obvious question is how a pickup truck can be offered at such a low price in today's market, especially when even small cars keep getting more expensive. Owning a vehicle is becoming increasingly out of reach for the average person, particularly a rugged, practical one. Against that backdrop, Toyota surprised the entire industry by launching the Hilux Champ at this price point. This isn't just about a low sticker price. It reflects a broader philosophy. Toyota recognized that a large part of the world still wants a vehicle built for everyday life, not for appearances. That $13,000 price tag is aimed directly at first-time pickup buyers, and at people for whom a vehicle is literally a means of earning a living: farmers, small business owners, transporters. For them, price is the single biggest factor in the decision. With this pricing, Toyota has directly targeted the mass market, where volume is high and the need is genuine. That's why people aren't just calling this price cheap. They're calling it a game changer. It also has a ripple effect. When a company offers a capable pickup at this price, it puts real pressure on competitors. The obvious question follows: if Toyota can do this, why can't everyone else? That shakes up the entire market. The Hilux Champ has proven that a pickup truck doesn't have to be expensive by default. Cut costs in the right places, eliminate unnecessary features, and a rugged, capable vehicle becomes accessible to the average buyer. That's what makes it special. This pricing isn't just about money, it's about trust and accessibility. So why is it called the Champ? At first glance, this pickup looks fairly ordinary. No flashy styling, no unnecessary flourishes, nothing designed to turn heads, but that's exactly its strength. Toyota deliberately kept it simple, so the focus stays on functionality rather than appearance. Its structure is built tough, able to haul heavy loads and handle rough roads without complaint. A vehicle designed for hard work, day in and day out. Despite its simple design, every part is thoughtfully engineered. Its body is robust enough that minor dings and dents aren't a major concern, and it's built to adapt to a wide range of uses: hauling goods, serving as a mobile shop, or supporting farm work. That adaptability is exactly what makes it a champion. And when it comes to real work, the Hilux Champ has few equals. It's built for poor roads, daily heavy loads, and environments where reliability matters far more than comfort. Its simplicity is its edge. Fewer complex parts mean fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs, which is why people describe it as simple-looking, but a genuine workhorse. The Hilux Champ's greatest achievement is that it understands people's actual needs. It's not built for flashy city showrooms. It's built for farms, markets, and work sites. Toyota designed it with the understanding that not everyone needs expensive technology. What they need is a dependable partner. That's why this pickup has built its reputation quietly, without much fanfare. The combination of its $13,000 price tag and straightforward design has created something rarely seen in today's market. The real-world impact is especially clear in developing countries. Across Asia, Africa, and South America, the way people view vehicles is completely different from wealthier nations. A vehicle isn't a luxury or status symbol there. It's a livelihood and a necessity. This is where the Toyota Hilux Champ's true impact shows up. In many of these regions, road conditions remain poor, power supply is unreliable, and charging infrastructure is minimal at best. In that environment, depending entirely on electric vehicles simply isn't practical for most people. Toyota understood this reality and built the Hilux Champ accordingly. Across much of rural Asia, people rely on vehicles for farming, transporting goods, and running small businesses. And what matters most is that the vehicle starts every morning, regardless of weather. The hassle of hunting for charging points, long waits, or fears of costly repairs all weigh heavily on everyday buyers. The Hilux Champ fits naturally into this environment because fuel is readily available and doesn't require any new habits to use. The methods people have relied on for years still work here. The picture is even clearer in parts of Africa, where electricity access can be inconsistent and remote area infrastructure is minimal. A breakdown in the middle of the road can be a serious problem there. In this kind of environment, people want a vehicle that's rugged, breaks down rarely, and can be repaired at nearly any small garage. And the Hilux Champ's simplicity becomes its biggest asset. No complicated tech, no intricate systems, just a straightforward vehicle that gets the job done. That's exactly why these markets trust it. South America tells a similar story. Hilly terrain, unpaved roads, and long journeys are common, and vehicles are routinely subjected to heavy loads. Buyers there want a pickup that's tough and built to last for years. EVs remain largely confined to major cities, with charging infrastructure virtually non-existent in smaller towns and rural areas. The Hilux Champ becomes a practical solution here, capable of operating anywhere without special preparation. Price remains a major factor across all these markets, since buyers typically look at cost first. Purchasing an expensive vehicle and then absorbing high maintenance costs simply isn't realistic for most people. The Hilux Champ's low price and affordable upkeep make it ideal for the mass market, reaching people buying a pickup for the very first time. There's also a mindset at play. People generally want to see and trust new technology before adopting it, and EVs remain unfamiliar to many, carrying an underlying fear of what happens if something goes wrong. Petrol and diesel vehicles, by contrast, already carry decades of established trust, and the Hilux Champ builds directly on that foundation. With this pickup, Toyota has made it clear that one solution doesn't fit every market. While EVs continue to gain ground in wealthier nations, developing countries still need rugged, affordable, and dependable vehicles, and the Hilux Champ fills exactly that gap. That's why its impact across Asia, Africa, and South America goes beyond simply being a vehicle. It becomes a tool that genuinely makes people's lives easier. Now let's talk about how Toyota is leveraging the Hilux name's legacy. In many parts of the world, the moment Hilux comes up, people instinctively associate it with one word: reliability. For years, the Hilux has been known as a vehicle that doesn't quit, even in the harshest conditions: deserts, mountains, muddy terrain, or heavy loads. It's proven its toughness everywhere, which is why it's more than just a model name. It's become synonymous with trust. There's a common saying: if the Hilux is running, the work doesn't stop. Toyota has leaned into this legacy fully with the Hilux Champ. The Champ doesn't try to write an entirely new story. It continues the same trust the Hilux name has earned over the years. When people see the Hilux Champ, they don't need much explanation about what kind of vehicle it is. The name alone tells them. In regions where the Hilux is already popular, adopting the Champ becomes an easy decision, since people already associate the Hilux lineup with toughness, longevity, and minimal breakdowns. The Champ carries that same philosophy forward, just with even greater simplicity, keeping everything that made the Hilux special while stripping away anything that wasn't essential for the everyday buyer. That's why many don't see it as a new vehicle at all, but as the next evolution of one they already trust. So who is the Hilux Champ actually built for? The answer is simple: people who use their vehicle for work, not for show. Start with farmers. In rural areas, a vehicle isn't just transportation, it's a farming tool, sometimes hauling grain, sometimes fertilizer, sometimes vegetables or equipment. Driving daily on rough farm roads is demanding, and the Hilux Champ is purpose-built for exactly that: a strong frame, simple design, and dependable performance. That's really all a farmer needs. Then there are small business owners, whether in cities or towns, for whom a vehicle is central to daily operations, picking up supplies in the morning, making deliveries throughout the day, and closing out accounts in the evening, all riding on that one vehicle. Expensive, delicate vehicles don't fit that lifestyle. The Hilux Champ suits these buyers well, delivering more capability at a lower cost, with easy, affordable repairs if something breaks, making it a genuine work partner. For construction workers, a vehicle represents raw capability, hauling cement, bricks, and steel, often over rough access roads to job sites. What's needed is a vehicle unafraid of heavy loads, and the Hilux Champ was built with exactly that need in mind. Its simple but sturdy structure ready for demanding daily work. The story is similar in the delivery sector, where businesses of every size are expanding rapidly, but not every company can afford premium vehicles. What they need is something that runs daily, costs little to maintain, and doesn't disrupt operations. And the Hilux Champ fits that need well. Simple in appearance, but consistently reliable in performance. The Hilux Champ's biggest success is how differently it serves different people, on farms and markets, on construction sites, and on delivery routes, with its role shifting from one setting to the next, while the underlying trust stays constant. The legacy of the Hilux brand, combined with the Champ's simplicity, has created something people are comfortable embracing without hesitation. It feels like the same familiar reliability, just in a new form, which is exactly why the Hilux Champ isn't just a new pickup, but the next chapter in a legacy of trust the world has relied on for years. Now, was choosing a petrol and diesel engine a mistake or a masterstroke? Looking at both engine options together reveals the real thinking behind the Hilux Champ. In a world dominated by EV conversation, Toyota deliberately chose two engine types already considered dependable across most of the world. Some ask whether this reflects outdated thinking or a smart strategy. But once you understand the realities on the ground, it looks less like a mistake and more like a well-calculated masterstroke. Toyota recognizes that every country, region, and customer is different, so it hasn't limited the Hilux Champ to a single path forward. Start with fuel availability. Petrol and diesel remain widely accessible across most of the world, whether in a small village, a town, or a remote area. Finding a fuel station is common, and diesel especially is available almost everywhere for commercial use. Charging infrastructure for EVs, by contrast, remains limited, and in many developing countries, even electricity supply itself isn't fully reliable. Toyota built a vehicle designed to run under virtually any circumstance. Petrol suits lighter work, quieter operation, and easier handling, while diesel is aimed at heavier duty tasks requiring more power and durability. On maintenance, the biggest advantage of petrol and diesel engines is familiarity. Mechanics of every skill level in every region understand them. If something breaks, there's no need for specialized machinery or highly trained technicians, which is exactly what makes the Hilux Champ a genuinely accessible vehicle. The diesel engine is particularly valuable for those hauling heavy loads daily: construction, farming, transport, delivering strong low-speed power without fatigue over long periods. The petrol engine, meanwhile, suits lighter daily use, deliveries, and small business needs. From a long-term cost standpoint, Toyota's decision holds up well too. EVs require a higher upfront investment, and the cost of eventual battery replacement is a real deterrent for many buyers. Petrol and diesel engine costs, by comparison, are spread out over time and far more predictable. Diesel engines may cost slightly more upfront, but offer strong resilience under heavy-duty use for years, while petrol engines remain cheaper and more economical for lighter use. Toyota designed the Hilux Champ so buyers can select the engine that matches their specific needs and budget. Now, let's talk about the second key aspect: a simple truck that's still future-ready. Many assume simple means outdated, but Toyota has flipped that assumption here. The Hilux Champ was deliberately kept simple so it can be adapted over time. It's structure designed to accommodate different body configurations. Someone might use it today as an open bed hauler, and tomorrow convert it into an enclosed van or mobile shop. That flexibility is exactly what makes it future-ready. Toyota avoided piling on unnecessary features to keep the vehicle functional for years to come. Excessive technology can become a liability, while the Hilux Champ's simplicity keeps it durable and long-lasting. Whether petrol or diesel, both options integrate seamlessly with this platform, meaning the vehicle isn't locked into a single purpose, but adapts as needs change. Finally, there's a quiet message this pickup sends to companies like Tesla and BYD. Toyota hasn't said anything critical of electric vehicles, nor has it positioned the Hilux Champ as direct competition. But the truck raises an important question. Is every market truly ready for EVs? The answer clearly is no. A large share of the world still runs on petrol and diesel because these remain cheaper, easier to use, and more dependable. By offering an affordable, rugged pickup with both petrol and diesel options, Toyota is quietly demonstrating that affordability and usability remain the biggest strengths in the real world. That's indirect pressure. EVs may represent the future, but the present still leans heavily on conventional engines. If you enjoy authentic, practical automotive stories grounded in real-world experience, subscribe to GearNation now. You'll be among the first to see the truth behind powerful vehicles and major industry decisions as they unfold.